You just added a bunch of indicators on your chart, but you need to change a few things. How do you get back to that window and adjust those settings? Well, once you have that loaded to your chart, what I like to do is right-click on a blank area and select Indicators. Once I select Indicators, I will get a new pop-up window that says Indicators. And for any one that is loaded to the chart, they will be found down here under Configured. So what you'll need to do is highlight the indicator that you would like to edit the parameters. And once you select that field, the ability to change any of the settings will be listed right here under Properties. Now, let's say, for example, you are running a strategy. So let me go ahead and run a strategy here. And I'm going to go ahead and right-click, go to Strategies, and I'm just going to add on the Chandelier Trader. I'm going to make sure everything's good. I'm going to make sure it's enabled and click OK. Now, the strategy will be enabled, and we can double check that by going to the Strategies tab right here and seeing that it's green, meaning that it is connected and looking for trades when it meets those parameters. So if you would like to edit any of these parameters to this chart, you will need to right-click and go to Strategies. Once you go to Strategies, you'll see you can't do any edits because it's all grayed out. So what you'll need to do is highlight Chandelier Trader or whatever strategy you're running underneath that configured box, scroll down and disable that setting by clicking the enabled box and getting that checkbox unselected. Click apply, and now you'll be able to edit any of those parameters you would like to for the strategies window. Let's say you'd like to adjust this from 20 to 25. Now, instead of having a 20 tick take profit, it'll be 25 ticks here. Once you have everything set up as you would like, click enabled and click OK. And now the strategy is re-enabled with your new settings. Once again, you can also go into the indicators box by going up to the top toolbar. And when you select it, highlight any of those indicators that you would like to add. And when you do that, just double click it. So this way it shows up underneath under configured, and then you'll be able to edit any parameters.